Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency of them all, and how it's about to shoot for the stars and change your life. Bitcoin has been traded on numerous brokerages and banks over the years, which has boosted it up to its high peak when Robinhood first started trading it. Right now, lots of banks and brokerages are trying to trade it worldwide into making it a new currency. Right now, big name banks such as Ally, Wirex, and Goldman Sachs have all been purchasing millions of dollars of Bitcoin right now so that we can be able to trade it from one another and start buying Bitcoin on our own. So, why are banks starting to use Bitcoin? They're starting to use Bitcoin so they can implement blockchain banks. And what that means is it makes it very easy and it makes it cheaper to transfer money from one to another and transfer that to, let's say, another part of the world like Southeast Asia. For example, a local bank in New York wants to provide services to a community in Southeast Asia. And what makes this super simple is that they can use cryptocurrencies, and instead of going through all the hassle of turning our dollar into whatever currency they have there, we could just give them Bitcoin and it does it automatically. And we can use blockchain, which will reduce human error and make it a lot easier and cheaper for us. So, where's Bitcoin gonna go? Well, multiple billionaire investors have been predicting that Bitcoin is going to reach over $250,000 by 2025 and have a market cap value of over $1 trillion. And if we start using Bitcoin and blockchain the ways that we need to, and it starts saving us money, more banks will implement it, and in the following years, we can even touch $500,000. And there we have it, guys. The reason why Bitcoin is going up right now and how it's going to impact you and it's going to change our world.